Now children, today let's start with chapter number 15, India under British rule. ठीक है, जो पहले इंडिया था पहले यूरोपियंस आए. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यूरोपियंस केम टू इंडिया. पोर्तुगीज आते हैं. एक्सप्लोरर वास्को डा गामा फर्स्ट नोन यूरोपियन टू रीच इंडिया. कब रीच करा था उन्होंने? 1498 में. ही सेट ही लैंडेड एट कालीकट इन सर्च ऑफ स्पाइसेस एंड फेमस कॉटन क्लोथ. इवेंचुअली जो पोर्तुगीज है और आपके स्पेनियर्ड्स दे सेटल डाउन टू वेरी प्रोस्परस ट्रेड. Mughal who ruled India at that time were not totally in favor of foreigners. They carried out trading activities and this favor was overcome by Alfonso de Albuquerque. Right? Second Portuguese governor जिन्होंने domination रखी थी over Goa. Right? Further expansion हुआ and the French also arrived here. They set up their factories in Surat, Masilepatlam. Permission of Indian ruler. इन्होंने permission ली Indian ruler. If it does, they did not come to India at the same time as other Europe and establish a trading station of Sprite at Jakarta and use Indian port to their trade route. Gradually, Dutch तो थे, उन्होंने यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट देखा. उन्होंने अपनी फैक्ट्रीज और सेटलमेंट्स लगाए. कहाँ कहाँ? कोची केरला, नागापट्टनम तमिलनाडु और भीमीपुनिट्टम आंध्र प्रदेश. They were not interested in military power, right? French, Dutch, Danes and English, they came to India in only trade and species. Battle of Plassey 1757. Battle of Plassey होता है between Calcutta and Murshidabad military forces under Robert Clive, the army of Surajudollah. Nawab of Bengal was defeated and Battle of Plassey was made the first military success of the British East India Company in India. So, interested of the British were not interested only in making money. They forced the farmer of Bihar to grow indigo, plant used for making blue dye. So, dye it was used in England for dyeing well cloth and farmer had no money for no need of indigo. तो उन्हें बस फूड ग्रेन चाहिए था जिससे वो अपने आप को फीड कर सके. राइट. जो इंडियन फार्मर्स थे दे बिकम वेरी पुअर. सिमिलरली वीवर्स वर फोर्स्ड टू सेल देयर ओन क्लोथ. And the Indian cotton industries were the victim of British rule. And British could not grow cotton due to its cold climate. But what happened? They had big cotton mills which required cotton. So raw cotton was brought from India at low price. और फिर उनको ब्रिटेन में भेजा. In Britain, what happened? Cloth was shipped back to India and sold in India market. British did not allow Indians to establish their own mills or factories. So British made unjust law to make control of more and more kingdoms. One such law was Doctrine of Land, which said that if king died without a male child, his kingdom would be taken over by the British. Right? Farmers, traders, king, common people, they were dissatisfied. Now revolt of 1857. What happened? Discontent among Indian rulers, farmers, weavers, spread to Indian soldiers. What happened? They were paid much less compared to British soldiers. They were also denied higher posts, which were only reserved for British soldiers. So Indian soldiers, they were given rank of sepoy in the British army. So, however, things become worse with the introduction of infield rifle in the army. It was rumored that the cartridge used in the rifle were greased with animal fat, right? तो उनको क्या करना था? अपने माउथ से खोल के फिर यूज करना था. तो इट वॉज अगेंस्ट द रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट. तो उन्होंने इनको मन करने से मना करा. उससे क्या हुआ? आपके सिपाही म्यूटिनिटी होती है. सम ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट रूलर्स कौन कौन थे? आपके नाना साहेब, कांतिया तोपे, बेगम हजरत महल, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. कुछ फार्मर्स थे, कुछ लास्ट मुगल एम्पर बहादुर शाह. उन्होंने क्या डिक्लेयर करा अपने को? सुप्रीम लीडर. एंड ब्रिटिश हैड अ लार्ज आर्मी, बेटर वेपन्स, दे क्रश्ड द रिवोल्ट. Many Indian leaders and soldiers were arrested and they were executed. Bahadur Shah Zafar arrested and sent to exile to Burma. Social and religious reform. Much before the revolt of 1857, some educated Indians who were exposed to Western education, they realized that evils of Indian society. Some of the evils were the caste system, killing of female infanticide, female child marriage, or sati pratha. राजा राम मोहन रॉय, ईश्वरचंद विद्यासागर, दयानंद सरस्वती और आपके सैयद अहमद खान. They were some people who wanted to remove the evils. They wanted reform in the society. They were reformers. They not only preached to the people against this evil, but also encouraged widow remarriage or female education. Right? The rise of nationalism. So the revolt of 1857 failed, but it made Indians realize the injustice of the British government. They also realized that only a united society could fight to send the British away. So like-minded educated Indians came together to form groups, commitments and association. Traders and businessmen, they come together and set up factory. Association were formed, school were set up. Newspaper publish करे गए, meetings हुई और Indian National Congress was set up in 1885. Right? This is all about this. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. Thank you.